here with this is in performance mode. I'm just cruising through town here doing 20 miles an hour. It's pretty quiet. I'm not speaking too loud, but if I give a little gas here, you'll hear the exhaust a bit, but it's not bad. If I switch it up to performance mode off, it's silent. It's like stock. Really nice. Put it back on here. And it's still pretty quiet. Just cruising up to a red light here now, so I will keep the video rolling so that we can hear what it's like when you get on the gas, but it's not too bad. It sounds really good, and it's loud when you want it to be, so here we go. Oh, not too bad. Nice and good sounding, and there's no drone. The cab sound is nice, and you can turn it down to silent if you want to. I'm really happy with it.